Hey guys, Byron here from HobbyKing.com. Today's an exciting day. We're going to show you a whole new range of helicopter blades. Now, most of you are familiar with our site. You know that for our helicopter blades, we have many different options. We have different styles, different price points, different quality levels, depending on what you're looking for your model. But we've never actually offered a very consistent, full range, top to bottom of all sizes in a premium helicopter blade, and that's what we set out to achieve with the RotorStar helicopter blade range, and that's what I'm presenting to you today. So basically our goal was to bring premium quality blades to the market that would compete with or even exceed the quality of those top name manufacturers on the market today in helicopter blades. So we're proud to introduce these to you now from RotorStar. So these are carbon fiber fly-barless main blades and beautifully finished. I'll start here at the bottom. We've got, as I mentioned, a whole range here. So starting on the small end, we've got 325 millimeter. Moving up, we have 360, 430, 520, 600, and 690. Okay, now going over the tail blade sizes, we have quite a few different options for you here. Starting with the on the small side, we've got 62 millimeter, which is for your standard 450 class helicopters. Moving up from there, we have 68 millimeter, which this is for the very popular size 450L helis currently in the market. Lots of different manufacturers have helis in this size range, and these blades are the length specifically suited for that emerging class. Now going up from there, we have a 70 millimeter for 500 size helicopters. And we've got the ever popular 95 millimeter for your 600 class 50 size helis, and all the way up to the 105 millimeter for your 700 or 90 size helicopters. So you can see quite an extensive range here. You really have to see these blades up close and personal. We're going to show you that here in the video so you can get some detailed shots. Now, talking about the finish on these blades, the finish is absolutely beautiful. You can see they have a very nice high contrast scheme on these blades. You've got the white against the black carbon weave, which obviously makes for a very nice look. The weave pattern, when you look up close here, is just absolutely beautiful. You'll see that in the up close shots that we're going to show you in the video now. Moving on to the logo, the RotorStar logo is actually laser etched on the blade. Makes a very nice effect, very sharp logo there, which just really looks nice. Now on the bottom here, you'll see they're solid white. We've done this so there's nice contrast between top and bottom. Really helps during 3D flying. So overall, just a beautiful finish on these blades. The rigidity is very good on these blades. They also come pre-balanced, of course, from the factory. And in fact, this is quite a task, and this is where you know, the cheaper or lower quality blades really show themselves when it comes to the balancing done at the factories. Of course, you've got a lot of different blade manufacturers out there, and they're producing blades to different quality standards. Now what we did is went to one of the top blade manufacturers, and these guys are making blades for a lot of the top name manufacturers in the market today, and we asked them to do this full range for us. So what we've ended up with is a very high quality blade, as I mentioned, something that's going to rival that of the other big name brands in the market today, and of course it's going to be at a very good price, as you would expect from HobbyKing.com. So definitely want to check these out, guys. You're going to find some more info in the product listing on the website, more details, detailed specs as far as the exact lengths from bolt hole to blade tip, this type of thing. And detailed photos as well, so you can see up close just how nice these are. One last thing worth mentioning is the balancing. We talked a little bit about that, about the balancing and how important that is. With this factory, as is with the other top name or top brand manufacturers in the market, they actually are very critical on matching the weights of these blades. And in fact, because of this, there's a very high waste rate actually, trying to get blades that match identical. So that's actually done already from the factory. So when you get a set of these blades out of the package, you know, these are going to be as close as possible at matching. Of course, everybody has their own preference. Some guys, even, you know, if they have the most expensive blades in the world, they still like to throw them on a balancer and fine-tune the weights to their own liking. But these are as close as you're going to get right out of the box. So you want to check these out, guys, on the new items page now. As I mentioned, these blades are premium level blades. They're designed for 3D use on fly-barless helicopters. This initial range is what we've brought out. Now, if you do see these on our website and you say, hey, why don't you have this size, or you've got a size that's, that you think we should add to the range, just leave us a comment in the discussion tab on these blades on the website. We'll be sure to look at that, and we'll research it and see about getting different sizes that we may be missing from this range. So once again, guys, thanks for watching. Be sure to check out the new RotorStar blades on the website, and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already done so.